Welcome to this lesson on merchant fees. Today, you'll learn about the costs businesses face when they accept credit and debit card payments from customers. Understanding these fees is crucial for anyone running a business or planning to start one. Merchant fees are the charges that businesses must pay to accept credit and debit card payments from their customers. Every time a customer swipes, taps, or enters their card information, the business incurs a cost to process that transaction. These fees are paid to payment processors, banks, and card networks that facilitate the payment. Merchant fees consist of two main components. The first is a percentage fee, which is calculated as a percentage of the total transaction amount. The second is a fixed fee, which is a flat per transaction charge that remains the same regardless of how much the customer spends. Most payment processors charge both components together for each transaction. The percentage fee is charged as a percentage of the transaction amount. This rate typically ranges from 1.5% to 3.5%, depending on factors like the card type, industry, and payment processor. The key thing to remember is that higher transaction amounts result in higher fees since the fee scales with the sale amount. Let's look at a simple example. If you make a sale of $100 and your percentage fee rate is 2.5%, you would calculate the merchant fee by multiplying 100 by 0.025. This gives you a merchant fee of $2.50 that you pay to process this transaction. The per transaction fee is a fixed flat fee charged for every transaction you process. This fee typically ranges from 10 cents to 30 cents per transaction. Unlike the percentage fee, this fixed fee stays exactly the same whether you're processing a $5 sale or a $500 sale. It's a constant cost per transaction. In reality, both fees work together. Let's see how they combine using an example. For a $100 transaction with a 2.5% rate and a 30-cent fixed fee, you first calculate the percentage fee of $2.50, then add the fixed fee of 30 cents. Your total merchant fee becomes $2.80 for this single transaction. To summarize, merchant fees have two components: percentage-based and fixed. Percentage fees scale with your transaction amount, meaning larger sales cost more to process. Fixed fees remain constant regardless of sale size. Understanding these costs is essential for businesses to price their products effectively and maintain healthy profit margins when accepting card payments.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.